Hey everybody, this is a Hunter Discover Breeze ceiling fan. I know it looks stupid. No, that's trouble. Anyways, it looks really weird. Davis told me to do this, and I'm probably gonna take it down because it looks just really goofy. I lost this. You can see the glue from when I tried to glue it on. It goes pretty fast like this, though, and it does blow a good amount of... I don't know what that was. Okay, anyways. And this fan is from, like, the 20th week of 2005. I feel like I videoed the Silent Breeze, like, a lot, so I'm sure you guys all know. Anyways, there's the original blade set. The replacement bracket is sort of yellow compared to the rest. I don't know, it's weird, but... It wasn't really noticeable, but you could sort of see. It's the one on the bottom. Kind of fast, I guess. Let's go to medium. Sebastian's currently like raging right now because he's trying to make a channel, but it's not working out correctly.
I'm not raging.
Yeah, you are.
I'm trying not to poop myself because I got to do that.
No, my God. Alright, there's medium. Now let's go to high. The pole chain's kind of hard to pull.
I'm a fart.
No. I mean, it goes a decent speed. Oh, wait. I think this is its... That was you! Yeah, this is... This...
Sound effects. He added that.
See, it like doesn't like... I did not edit that! This video is unedited. There's the bay port. Anyways. Bye, guys.